Hi, I'm Blondie and this is Charlie. Welcome to a new video. This video is about figures with Zeltbahn. It will start right after the best intro in the world.
Charlie and Blondie. These figures represent two Waffen-SS soldiers equipped with Zeltbahn. This is a Zeltbahn. Cool, isn't it? As you may have noticed, this Zeltbahn's camouflage is different from the ones in the pictures, meaning there are several camouflage patterns. But I'll talk about that later in the video. They're supposed to be reversible, meaning a real one would have two camouflages on both sides. But since this is a snotty dragon version, it only has camouflage on one side. The fabric is very thick, which makes it difficult to roll up and fit naturally on a figure. The Zeltbahn is a multi-purpose piece of equipment that could be used either as a rain shower, as a means of personal camouflage, for camouflage equipment, and as a means of constructing multi-person shelters. In emergencies, it was even prescribed as the basis for a jury-rigged flotation device. But this video isn't about the Zeltbahn. There's plenty of related information here and online. This video is to show the figures with the Zeltbahn. This is Charlie or Charles. Charles wasn't always in the Waffen-SS. Before that, he was in the British Expeditionary Force, Royal West Kent Regiment, France 1940. Yes, that's him. I don't have his original uniform and equipment, so he's like this now. Charlie is like Oscar. Both were originally figures representing the British Army, but are now in the Waffen-SS. Have you seen my video about Oscar in Conchada?
Nope.
The link is in the description. As usual with my figures, Charles is also unfinished. His uniform and equipment are from various brands, and the Y suspenders were made by me. He's in winter uniform on the Eastern Front. There are still details that could be improved, such as the field bottle and the mess can. He has a beautiful SSM-40 side cap made of fabric. Let me see if I can get a better focus. I'm not sure if this side cap was worn with this uniform and equipment combination. If you know more, please let me know. And now for Blondie. Blondie also has a Zeltbahn, also an unfinished figure, and has uniforms and equipment from various brands. The camouflage pattern matches the helmet cover, Zeltbahn, and pants. All the same pattern, isn't it cool? Notice how the Panzerfaust is positioned for transport. I saw this possibility in a video here on YouTube, although I think I've seen a real picture of it before. Here is a picture from a YouTube channel. And now I'll show you why I call him Blondie. Yes, it's because he's blonde and has real hair. Look how cool! This head sculpt and body are from DID. The head sculpt doesn't have a name because it was part of a set of head sculpts purchased separately. I don't think I have anything more to say about these figures in this video. But of course, if you want to know more, just ask in the comments.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please put like, subscribe and share. Thank you.